Next guest thinks the government shutdown could impact consumer spending negatively, and he has been assessing since this morning, I guess since last night, Brian, the trade deal that was announced by Presidents Trump and Xi. You are, of course, with Stifel. You're the Chief Washington Policy strategist, Brian Gardner. Okay, can you describe in a word or two how you assess the trade deal that President Trump says came out of these talks in South Korea with Xi Jinping? Better than where we were, right? We were heading in a bad direction, a negative direction for both countries, both economies. It's kind of a reset. It's not a game changer, but it gets back to a more stable trading relationship. So net, it's a positive, but it's nothing that you would get overly excited about. I mean, you look at, say, for example, soybeans. The price of soybeans right now gaining just under 1%, but leading up to it, we saw a 15-month high for the price of soybeans. Again, now Xi Jinping and China have said that they will buy 12 million tons this year. So by the end of this year, that actually just brings us back to exactly what they purchased in last year. Right, and with an up ramp over the next 2 or 3 years. So correct. That is a positive. And for a segment of the economy, a segment of the ag economy that was suffering under the trade wars that were ongoing. Very much so. Farmers.
Soybeans have become a political weapon. So this is a positive for American farmers.
Let me shift to the government shutdown, day 30.
This is what you're in town for, right, to settle it?
Everything. I mean, right now, that's what people are watching. And clearly, we're looking at SNAP, the food stamps money correct. Running out on Saturday. I mean, how long can this continue, and do you expect it to start hitting the markets?
I don't expect it to hit the markets. No, really? I think we're going to stay where we have been, which is the market's looking through this, thinking this is a temporary economic event with no lasting repercussions. It will, but this is where the disconnect is between the economy and the markets. It is going to start hitting real Americans this weekend. People who can least afford it, who go paycheck to paycheck, not even, who rely on these government benefits, they're going to get hit hard this weekend.
It's interesting. The markets have all turned red. You got the Dow down 130, NASDAQ down 369, S&P lower by 67. Let me just say that we have the issue with the air traffic controllers and TSA. I've been flying a lot. All the travelers are thanking TSA agents. Thank you. I know you're working without a paycheck. You don't think that's going to affect their pocketbooks, and then in turn, they won't be buying products that hit certain U.S. companies?
Again, it's a temporary thing, right? So because they're going to get that pay made up. They're going to be made whole later. So in the short term, yes, I hate to use the word transitory because it has bad effects from COVID and the inflation fight, but these effects are transitory. But certainly, anybody who's flying who is going to be disrupted, I'm back on the road next week. Keep my fingers crossed that all goes well. We'll see.
Brian Gardner. Thanks. Well, my flight's delayed back to New York tonight, but I promise I will be here tomorrow. Market action here, red on the screen. Transport's gaining about 142 points. That's the green on the screen. Apple and Amazon earnings, so much more tomorrow.